Today let's install and configure C in a Windows machine. Today we are going to install it on a 64-bit Windows machine. First we need a MINGW software. Let's install it. So MINGW. If you simply search it on Google, you will be getting a SourceForge link. You can download it. It will start download within a minute. So it got downloaded. This is the software we need to install. Just right click, run as administrator. So it will ask you some configuration request. You just click on install. Then here is the location. If you want to change the location, you can change it. Then again continue. It will take some time to download the required files. So the previous MINGW installation is completed. Click on continue. Now I need to configure for the C++ as well as C. So I'll be selecting this one, mark for installation, G++ as well as GCC. Click on installation, apply changes. Now click on apply. So it will start connecting to the server. So here all changes were applied successfully. Now just click on close. Now let's close this one as well. So now we need to check whether this C++ is installed in our system. So I'll be taking the command prompt cmd. If I give gcc, it is got installed. Suppose if it is not installed for you by default, you may have to add it in the environment section. So wherever you have installed, you have to go to that folder, MINGW. Within that we will be having a bin section. You can select it, this path. Now we need to add it into the environment path. Environment. Go to environment variables. Then we have to select the path. Double click on it. And here we need to add the path. Sometimes it will not be automatically added for you. You have to click on new, then we need to paste this location. Then click OK. OK. Then again OK. I'll just show you what happens if it is not configured properly. So I'm just deleting this one. Then if I give GC, so I need to click OK. OK. Then if I give GCC, let me open this command prompt once again. GCC is not recognized as internal or external command. So this will be the error that's going to happen if we are not configured. So we need to add that path. edit, environment, go to the path. Here we need to add, click on new, paste, click OK, then again OK. Now let's close the command prompt and basically restarting the command prompt. vscode. If it is configured properly, you will be getting this error, and if you want to check it without errors, you can check for the version. So in order to identify the version, we have to use -v, so that versions will be visible like this. So this is installed from the MINGW.org. That's it. Search it on Google. So you'll be getting a link here. Visual Studio Code, code editing, redefine. Since I'm using Windows, I can download it in Windows. If you are using any other OS, you can change it like this. So I'll be downloading a stable build. So it is just having a size of 88.3 MB. Now let's install VS Studio Code. Just double click on it. My system is 64-bit system, that's why it is automatically installed a 64-bit system. And again, you can see here only 64-bit softwares are available. Click on accept agreement, next. Then you can select your location wherever you need to install the software. Click on next. Next. If you want to add that paths and all, you can do this. So this section will be required because we need to add its path. Next, install. This will be the screen that you are going to get, and here if you want you can add the new files and you can write our program. So if you want to run with vscode, basically you need some extension. Let's see the extension that we required for the C programming. I have already installed, that's why. So if you simply search C++, you can find here C++ extension. You can install it. You can see here I have already installed, that's why it is not showing for installation. Basically for first time it won't be there. We can install it. So I have also installed the extension pack for the C++, and if you want to install the theme section, you can install that as well. So this is for C++ configuration. Now in order to run the C++ programs or C programs easily, let's install it with the code runner. So .run, you can see this will be installing here. I just installed that as well. So this is about the configuration part. And one more section is the CMake. CMake also you have to install. CMake tools. That's it. Now if you want to start with any particular folder, you can open that folder. So I'm just selecting some folder here. Now let's try with a simple C program. File new. Then I'll be just giving some name here. New file.c. So it will automatically pop up to create the file. Just click on create file. So they will automatically identify it's a C program. So we can add it, #include stdio.h void main int a equal to 10. Let's try printf. D, then comma a, then finally a semicolon. As I told you, since we have installed the code runner, we can simply execute by right click and run code. So before doing that, I will be adding some configuration for this code runner. Go to preference, go to settings. Now let's search code runner. You can see here run code configuration. Here if you go down, you have to select this one in order to get the scanner function. Just do till here, just close it. Now right click and run code. So the output will be visible on the terminal part. The value of a is 10. Since it is C program, you can see that output file also created with new file.exe. This is the executable file. That's about installation of C++ on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.